and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. If you're new to my channel, I create videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with simple things you have around your house so you don't have to go buy any fancy equipment or materials. It's what you have around with you. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an anime eye. Now I had a lot of requests for eyes, I had a lot of requests for anime, so I figured let's start with both together and we're going to do an anime eye. And I figure if you guys like this, let me know, drop a comment below, tell me, do you want to see other elements of anime? And we can do them in small, little, easy to digest little bites. So hit the like button if you like this idea, drop a comment to let me know how does it go. All you're going to need is a pencil and a piece of paper. And at the end, if you want to go over it in marker or a pen, you can, but really all we need is some scratch paper and a pencil, and it's a lot of practice. If you know a lot about anime, it takes so much dedication and so much practice that that's really how you get good. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to work. So when we're making an anime eye, the first thing we're going to do is that upper line of the eye. And remember, I'm drawing light and sketchy because I'll pick which line out of those I like the most at the end. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a half oval, or maybe even 3/4 of an oval. It's going to come from the middle on each side. We're not seeing a full circle because if you look at somebody in the eyes, you can actually see, you normally don't see the full shape. Normally it's partially covered. Then we're going to do a little bit of a circle over here. This is going to be kind of like a halo effect. That's going to stay white. Then right here in the middle, we're going to do a little black pupil. We can color that in black, and that can go in the middle. Then from there, we're going to do an oval or like a little moon shape out. That's going to be a little reflection as well. And now we can draw that little bottom part of the eye. In anime, there normally isn't a full shape. It depends on if you're going for a surprised eye, a happy eye, because our eyes are very expressive. And then we're going to do a little bit of lashes, not a whole lot, just a little bit to give some volume, and then a couple little ones down here, but there's not a whole lot. We're going to do that double lid right here, a little crease up above. And now we can go ahead and we can add an eyebrow in, a line in. Now this section here is what gets colored in with colors. So if you have some colored pencils by you, or crayons or markers, markers are going to be a little hard to control. And remember, anime is a little bit more like unrealistic. So I'm going to use some browns, blues, and grays all within one eye. And I'm going to go ahead and work those colors in like a radius. I'm going to add just a little bit of blue flecks here and there. That's going to give this brown some dimension, a little bit of gray. And then I can go back in again with that brown and just make sure that whole shape of the eye has been colored in, except for where those reflections are. And now I can go ahead with my pen and I can decide which line is my favorite to give it that definition. And when you're doing the line part, you want to be confident. Take your pen or your marker and draw confidently. If you make a mistake, that's okay, just keep going with it. Because you can always just try again. because we're gonna need to practice with this. Your first time will not be your best. And sometimes when you have mastered it, you're gonna have a day where you just keep making mistakes, and that's okay. So now I can go ahead and erase my pencil lines and really see what I have left. So I realize that I definitely need more of the colored pencil. So I'm going to give it a nice coat of brown. And we're going to keep on, I'm going to do a little bit of that blue, like I said, to just give it some little pops of dimension. A little bit of gray. And there we go. I have my first anime eye. So I want you to practice that again and again and see how good we can get. And now we're going to add on in other videos other features. So let's take it feature at a time. So I hope you had fun making your anime eye. I hope you learned a little bit. And if you've already kind of delved into this type of style, then I hope you just keep practicing and keep practicing. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do maybe like anime noses, maybe we do a simple anime face, and we can go over some more detail in slow little bites. So let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!